Do you want your Galaxy S26 Ultra to automatically show caption for speech in videos? You can do that with Live Caption. Let me show you how. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Live Caption. Now, turn on Use Live Caption. And that's it. Your Galaxy S26 Ultra can now automatically generate caption for speech detected from your device. Let me show you how. As you can see, the speech is automatically converted into caption and displayed on the screen. If you want to move the caption, simply touch and hold them and drag them up or down. You can also double tap the caption to expand them. Go back to the live caption menu. Here you can also customize how live caption works. Under the settings section, tap languages. You can then add the languages you want live caption to caption. There's also suggest detected languages, which can suggest languages detected by your phone. As a note, some languages may require you to download a language pack before you can use them. Next, there's caption preferences. You can tap it to enable or disable caption and customize the caption size and style. There's also an important note here. Caption setting from apps such as YouTube and Live Transcribe will be applied first, and not all apps support the caption preferences you set on the screen. By the way, you can also access caption preferences directly from the hearing enhancement menu. Go back in the live caption setting. You can also turn on hide profanity if you don't want detected profanity to appear in full. And live caption in volume control give you quick access to live caption from your phone volume control. Keep in mind that live caption can increase battery usage. And one more thing, song lyrics are not captioned. So if you are watching a video with someone speaking, live caption can automatically turn that speech into caption like on your screen. And that's how to add live caption to videos on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.